Thank you for taking a few minutes to watch this training video on the best practices and protocols to help keep the UMass Amherst community safe and help prevent the spread of COVID-19. Daily health checks help find the disease early and is one of the most effective ways to keep from spreading the virus. The first thing you should do each day before coming to campus is review the COVID-19 Daily Self-Checklist. It'll take you less than a minute to go through the 11 quick questions. If you answer yes to any of the questions, you must stay home. Notify your supervisor and the COVID-19 HR response team to tell them your symptoms. If you're sick and feel you have an emergency, call your healthcare provider or seek medical care. If you call 911, please alert them to your COVID-19 symptoms. The checklist is available on our website, in a hard copy format, or in the My UMass app. If you reply yes to any of the questions in the checklist, stay home with pay. Call your supervisor and call or email the COVID-19 HR response team at 413-687-2283 or covid19hr@umass.edu. Keep up with the social distancing. Maintain at least 6 feet distance between yourself and others as often as you can. This includes work in common areas like copy rooms and break rooms. If you use the elevator, ride solo if you can, and maintain your social distance if you can't. Otherwise, take the stairs. To prevent the spread of germs, wash your hands often throughout the day, especially after coughing, sneezing, using the restroom, or before handling food. Use soap and water and wash for at least 20 seconds. Use hand sanitizer when you're on the go and can't wash. Avoid touching your eyes, nose, or mouth. Cough or sneeze into a tissue or your elbow, not your hands. Throw used tissues in the trash, and remember to not share food, drinks, utensils, or similar items. Cleaning and disinfection are important, especially for high-touch surfaces and shared equipment in shared spaces. The university has extensive protocols in place to clean the common and public spaces, but you should regularly clean and disinfect your individual work area to reduce the spread of infection. Governor Baker's order requires face coverings in public spaces where social distancing is not possible. Remember, this is not a substitute for social distancing. Store your mask in a paper bag. Change your face covering if it's wet or soiled. If you're using cloth, wash it frequently and have a backup. University Health Services is here for UMass Amherst employees. They can provide COVID-19 testing for our UMass community Monday through Friday by appointment. Contact UHS through the COVID-19 HR response team or call UHS at 413-577-5229 to speak to a triage advice nurse. All campus personnel who have any questions or are concerned about potential exposure to COVID-19 should contact the COVID-19 HR response team at 413-687-2283 or covid19hr@umass.edu. Welcome back to campus, and stay safe.